Tired of seeing that dreaded error message when you try to use an Uber Eats promo code? Let's fix that. First, let's verify that your promo code is still valid. Promo codes usually have an expiration date. Check the terms and conditions where you found the code, typically in the email or on the website where it was advertised. Ensure that the current date hasn't passed the expiration date. Expired codes, of course, won't work. Now, double-check if the promo code has any specific usage restrictions. Some codes are only valid for first-time users, new accounts, or specific locations. To check this, navigate to the Accounts section in your Uber Eats app and look for Promotions. Tap on Promotions to view all your added promotions and see if the specific promo code you're trying to use has any restrictions listed. Sometimes, promo codes are region-specific. Make sure your delivery address is within the eligible area for the promotion. Try changing your delivery address temporarily to confirm if the error is location-based. Another common issue is payment method incompatibility. Some promo codes are only valid when using specific payment methods, like a certain credit card. Go to the Payment section in your Uber Eats app and make sure you're using an accepted payment method for that specific promo code. Still having trouble? It's time to contact Uber Eats support. In the app, go to the Help section and look for options related to promotions or payment issues. Describe your problem in detail, including the promo code you're trying to use and a screenshot of the error message. Uber Eats support can provide personalized assistance and resolve more complex issues. They can also confirm if there are any hidden restrictions or technical glitches affecting your account. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot most Uber Eats promo code errors and get back to enjoying delicious food at a discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.